Hello! Today, I'll show you how to work with cash in the Slimrate system on your tablet. In the lower left corner, you'll see a button with 3 horizontal lines. Tap it to open the main menu. Again, look in the lower left corner and select the Cash in Drawer button. At the top of the screen, pay attention to the menu with the following tabs: Cash Verification, Add, Remove, and Other. To check how much cash is currently in the drawer, open the Cash Verification tab. Here, you need to enter the number of bills and coins for each denomination, not the total amount, just the quantity for each type. The system will automatically calculate the total sum and display it in the lower left, next to the Cash in Drawer label. If you make a mistake and the sum does not match the expected value, the system will immediately show you the difference. If you need to add cash to the drawer, go to the Add tab. Enter the amount you are depositing, and if you wish, you can leave a comment. The system will highlight the green Add button. Tap it to save the operation. To remove cash from the drawer, open the Remove tab. Here, enter the amount you want to withdraw. If needed, you can also leave a comment. Then tap the Remove button that appears. If you just need to open the cash drawer, for example, for inspection but not for counting or depositing money, go to the Other tab. Here, you can briefly specify the reason for opening the drawer and tap the green Open button. The drawer will open. That's it. Now you know how to manage cash in the system. Thank you for watching.